You were the one that cut that olive oil?
I did, but it stinks.
I meant get a tiny.
Girl, go to Walmart if you don't want the natural stuff.
Almighty.
But
What were you doing out there, man? We're chilling at the airport, Benny and I. Mom and Lyra are about to be here. Woo! It's kind of funny, they're gonna be, unfortunately Donkey is only single cab, so I got the mattress in the back. And they're gonna be hanging out back there a little bit until we get out of the nasty parts of the city, because I need Benny, because he can understand Spanish. But we're gonna go pick them up here in just a minute. Mom and Lyra, if you're watching this, hope you guys are enjoying it. Hope you guys are making your way through that airport. Anyway, all right, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Hi.
How's it going?
Hey.
They made it. Oh, but they're in one piece. They're in one piece, guys. That was the flight?
Yeah, we had a 100 and something minute delay.
100 and something minute?
Yeah, so we had to sit there for an hour waiting.
Wow. It feels like we didn't even leave that long ago.
I know.
Right? How was the experience?
It was great.
It was great?
Yeah, except the flight got delayed a little bit, but...
Well, you guys ready to go to the truck?
Sure.
All right. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see it. Woo-hoo-hoo. We in Mexico.
Let me get on in here.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Dude, this is awesome. You having fun yet?
This is incredible.
Where's the air conditioner?
Wish you could do this in America.
You can?
Yeah.
You need anything, knock on the window, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
We've been driving through the second biggest city in the entire world, and to say the least, it's very intense. What are y'all's thoughts?
I won't say what I said a minute ago, but I have never in my life experienced this before. And I hope I don't experience it again. Never have. I can't even explain it. I'll just have to gather my thoughts to recap this. I just cannot fathom.
Get some stuff on your phone.
I did not have time. I was sitting back there going, oh my gosh. What are your thoughts, Lyra?
I thought it was fun. I wasn't thinking nothing about it. I was just sitting back and relaxing.
Just get me out of Mexico City. That's all I'm worried about.
I saw some really good
I will
pies
eat
on the side of the road.
Just get me out of Mexico City. Do you hear me? I will eat on the concrete. Is this like a $20 bill or something? Oh my gosh, how pretty.
It is kind of pretty. I'd like this money in America. All we got is green.
Let them cattle out.
I hate that road with a passion. Get my water, just get my water. Has it been a long day? Yes. Caddy. How are you doing? So sweet. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm so glad to be here. I can just kiss the ground.
How dare you?
Wow. Mira, Samuel, mira. Samuel.
Mira.
He said you brought him everything he likes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ay, mira.
Okay. All right, gonna change them over to some pesos today.
Peso. Shopping.
What do you guys think about Mexico
Shopping
so far?
with peso.
What do y'all think about Mexico so far?
Pretty cool.
Mexico City. No. Benito Juarez. Yes.
What do you think about the stores being all outside?
I love it.
Love it?
Love it.
Let's go get y'all some monies.
Yep. Mucho pesos. And yours is what?
What's your money?
What y'all think? They got their first paleta. Which flavor did you get, Lyra?
Lemon, strawberry.
She got strawberry.
What'd you
Homemade
get,
popsicles here.
Cheers, cheers.
We'll have to do this every day.
Is it good?
So these are fresh, right?
Yeah. They're homemade popsicles here.
Wait, I'm gonna have to get another one. Yum, 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 yum.
What you think?
Oh, yeah.
That's what
Let's buy chicken.
That's some fresh chicken ain't it? Fresh chicken ain't there.
Hey! Hola! Riding in the back of the truck on our way to see Taekwondo. It's gonna be fun! I guess we'll see you there. I guess we'll see you there.
Alright guys, now we're in Taekwondo after some crazy driving, and Mom and Lyra are just enthused about all these souvenirs, right?
Look at these cups. They're handmade.
These candies right here are pretty authentic and they're really good.
She ain't bought them yet, but check these out. Like that, huh? I like that. I like that. Oh, looks pretty good, huh? Alright guys, now we're headed to eat some real talk good Mexican food, man. So Mom and Lyra are in for a treat. Here we go. Alright, we made it back to the truck, guys. We got them loaded in the back. They're ready to go.
Got my chair. Got my chair. I'm ready. See?
This is what a parking garage looks like, by the way. See y'all there. Mama tried some natural aloe vera.
Oh, you were the one that cut that aloe vera?
I did, but it stinks.
I'm gonna get a
Girl, go to Walmart if you don't want the natural stuff.
Almighty.
But I mean, natural stuff.
Alright guys, we're gonna go to Morelia now. This is gonna be the end of this episode for part 1. Hope you guys are enjoying it. We're gonna hit up the road to Morelia, and when we get there, that'll be the beginning of the next episode. So stay tuned for that next episode. And until then, woohoo!
Yeah, get on it.
Alright, love you guys. See ya.